Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, May 12th. Hope you had a wonderful week. Looking forward to the weekend. Everything is good here. I don't have a lot of things to show this week, but I do have a few things and hopefully you enjoy. And yeah, let's get started. I wanted to update you. I am wearing nails that I showed last week from Temu, and I would not recommend these. They are very flimsy. They're chipping already. You don't expect fake nails to chip, but yeah, I just don't like them at all, and I'm going to take them off as soon as I'm done with this video, but I wanted to show you them, and yeah, just totally not worth it. But I did get in some ones from Kiss. I told you last week that I ordered some. They were free shipping over $15, and I had a 20% off coupon. So all of these were not bad at all. And Kiss has the best nails. I did get this pack. This is the short velvety effect, magnetic velvety effect. And I've gotten this kind in like blue and like a champagne color, but I love this pinky one. I haven't seen this anywhere else except for the Kiss site. Maybe it was a Valentine edition, but you know, it's pink, so you can wear that anytime. So I got those. And then I got these for either Memorial Day or 4th of July. They're just, patriotic nails. And these are, it says short, but they look kind of medium to me. I love how simple they are with different colors, but then, some stars and stripes too. So got those. And then the last set I got are these. These are so much prettier cherries than the ones I have on. And these are a medium length. The cherries are kind of glittery, and then there are glitter accent nails. So I think these will be so much nicer. So learn my lesson about getting nails from Temu. I do have strawberry ones from Temu that I'll save for some other time, but not before those. All right, I only got one crafty thing at Dollar Tree. I finally found this pack of Prang colored pencils. This is a great deal. They sell this brand at Walmart, and I'm not sure, like Michael's maybe, but definitely I've seen it at Walmart. And for $1.25 for 50 colored pencils, this is a wonderful deal. Let's open this up and I'll show you the colors. All right, I'll just do it from the top here. Don't need scissors. Thought I might, but nope. And so it comes with all these pretty colors. It's nice to have colored pencils. I use them sometimes, like if I'm coloring in some stamps or, stamped images, and I need to color in a small space that it's hard to do with alcohol markers. So these are all the colors it comes with. They're beautiful. So hopefully they're decent quality. I'm expecting them to be fine. So thank you to everybody who's shown these. I've been waiting for my Dollar Tree to get them, and they finally did. So, and they are a 3.3 millimeter tip, I guess. So yeah, look for those at your Dollar Tree. If you haven't found them yet, there's still hope. I went to Five Below. I got a pair of flip-flops that I forgot to bring down, but they're really pretty. They have like cherries on them. And I also got these stickers. These are Hello Kitty sticker variety pack. It comes with 100 plus stickers. And these are all the sticker sheets. So let's open this up to see. I thought these would be really pretty to put on the outside of packages, even like electronics. So it comes with this one, super cute, nice pastel colors. And then there's this set. I love this one with all the little characters on the inside of the boba cup. And then there's this one with all the cute characters. Little hot dog. I'm not sure what that says, but very cute. I like this guy. I don't know all the names of these people, or these characters, but I think they're so cute. Look at that. That's adorable. I don't know, just love some Hello Kitty. And this was $5, I believe, this pack. Look how cute. This would be cute, like on the outside of my computer. Open ice cream. Oh, so adorable. Yeah, these will be perfect for packaging because I like to use like nice flat stickers on the outside of like envelopes or boxes that I send. Oh, and by the way, I sent to the winner of that paper pad. I just mailed it out on Thursday, so you should be getting it in a couple days. Speaking of sending things, look at this rainbow, and it's got strawberries on the bottom. That's so cute. Oh, I love this page. And then this one, oh, look at all the different kinds of milk. That's adorable. And the Hello Kitty gumball machine with little characters that come out. We need a gumball machine like that. And then this is the last page. So adorable sticker sheet or sticker set. I was glad to find that. So I only got those two things at Five Below. Home Goods, I got a couple things that are not crafty related, but I thought I would show you anyway. So I had gotten a runner with this pattern on, and now I saw they had kitchen towels. So I love this, like Americana kind of, you know, country primitive look. Not really primitive, I guess just kind of country. But isn't that a pretty towel? It's got all the houses on it and the sailboat, the fireworks. It's just so cute, very New England looking to me. It's got a dog at the bottom. So this is a set of 3 towels, and it was $7.99. So not bad. So it comes with that one, and then, oh, 2 of those. Okay, good. 2 of those towels, and then this red one, which is, you know, one that you could actually use. You couldn't use all of them, but, you know, I think these are too pretty to use. And these are like that thinner material, not very absorbent, so I think it'll be better for decor. Look how pretty that is with the fireworks on the end. Oh, I love that. Why don't we open this? Instead of trying to figure it out, all fold it up. Okay, let me just take one out. We can take a look at it. Since I don't have a big haul, I might as well look, right? Oh, how beautiful is that? Oh, what a pretty image. I didn't realize all these fireworks went up like that, and then the sky gets darker as you get to the top. Isn't that pretty? So yeah, 2 of those and 1 red one. Very happy with those towels. Love towels. And then I got a couple of cherry themed dishes. I got this spoon rest. Isn't that pretty? And it's such a nice size. I like that it's deep too. You know, it'll catch any spills or anything on your spoons. So this one is by Potter's Studio. It was $4.99, which is not a bad price at all for something this size. So I got that, and then I got a matching mug to go with it. And yeah, I just thought it was beautiful. And this is $4.99 too. That's a great price for a mug. If you collect Rae Dunn, I have a lot of Rae Dunn. I don't really buy any of it anymore, but the mugs, I remember when I first started collecting Rae Dunn, they were $3.99, and now they're like, you know, double that practically. So it's kind of ridiculous. So anyway, I like this one better. Just the cheery cherries on it. Anyway, so yeah, got those. And yeah, I think that is it for this week, you guys. Sorry it's not a very big haul, but yeah, that's what happens. Some weeks are smaller than others. So let's see. Okay, I just released another video yesterday, and this was for Adorn It. The April Recipe Stamp Club stamps and papers just came out, so I made some projects with that. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and take a look at my video before this. I think they came out super cute. And let's see, what else? Oh, KS Craft. I just saw Hannah's video. She released the May dies. So they look so nice. There's tea themed and a lot of Father's Day kind of things, but really fun stuff. So I'm looking forward to getting that and to sharing my projects with you. And this weekend is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. If you're missing your mom, or, you know, if it's not the happiest day for any other reason, my heart is with you. I understand that, and it's a complicated holiday for me too, but I'm going to enjoy it with my family. And yeah, so take care, you guys. I'll show you guys what I get for Mother's Day next week, in addition to any other things I pick up on my shopping. So please leave me a comment and like this video if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and for all of your support all the time. It means a lot to me. So I will talk to you guys soon. Have a wonderful weekend and happy crafting. Bye, guys.